on that beat. Go.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're beginning our hands-on exploration of anatomy by dissecting a frog and identifying the ventral muscles. Before we start, let's prepare all the tools. Wear gloves and make sure the scalpel, scissor, probe, forceps, flapper, magnifier, and dissecting tray are clean and arranged neatly on your table. Having everything ready will make the dissection easier and safer. Before we start the incision, we'll wash the frog first to clean the ventral surface. After that, we'll begin exposing and identifying the ventral muscles. After washing the frog, the next step is pithing. This involves carefully targeting the soft part of the frog's head using pins or probe to ensure the frog is non-responsive before dissection. Next, start by gently pinning the frog's limbs to keep the specimen stable. Using your scissors, make a small incision in the skin. Carefully extend the cut downward to the abdomen, staying just beneath the skin layer. Next, make 2 horizontal cuts across the upper and lower abdomen to create a flap. Use the forceps to lift and peel the skin back, revealing the ventral muscles underneath. As you examine the muscle, take note of their texture, color, and arrangement. These muscles work together to help the frog jump, swim, and move efficiently in its environment. Now let's begin identifying the ventral muscles by placing pins on each one and labeling them with numbers. With the ventral muscles already labeled, we can now move on to the next part of the activity, beginning the dissection and opening the body cavity for internal observation. Now that the specimen is prepared, we can begin the dissection process. We will carefully open the ventral side to observe the internal structures. Work slowly and stay focused on identifying each part as you go. Make sure your tools are properly handled, keep the specimen stable, and follow your teacher's guidance throughout the procedure. As we continue, we'll highlight the major organs and discuss their functions. With the body cavity open, observe and identify the major organs, such as the heart, liver, and stomach, noting their positions and relationships. Let's take a closer look at the major organs of the frog. Heart, a 3-chambered organ that pumps blood and circulates oxygen throughout the body. Lungs, it helps the frog breathe air, especially when it is on land. Liver, the largest internal organ. It produces bile, helps with digestion, and stores nutrients. Stomach, breaks down food using acids and enzymes before it moves to the intestines. Gallbladder, a small sac under the liver that stores bile and releases it to help digest fats. Large intestine, absorbs water from waste and forms feces. Small intestine, continues digestion and absorbs nutrients from the food. After we've identified the organs, we can now begin carefully removing them. Take your time to lift each organ gently and observe its size, shape, and position in the frog's body.
Quiz time!
Question 1. Which organ stores bile produced by the liver? Answer B. Gallbladder. Question 2. Which safety practice should you follow during dissection? Answer A. Wear gloves and handle tools carefully. Question 3. What are ventral muscles? Answer C. Muscles on the frog's underside belly.